Louisville community is mourning the loss of a prominent leader in the city's fight against COVID.
Dr. Sarah Beth Hartledge, Associate Medical Director for the Public Health Department, passed away unexpectedly. WOKY's Alexis Matthews has more on what she meant to Louisville for those who work beside her.
Dr. Sarah Beth Hartledge was a fearless health leader who was on the front lines of Louisville's COVID-19 vaccine efforts. Amid her shocking death, those who knew her say she'll be remembered as a good doctor, mom, and wife.
During the most difficult times of this pandemic, Sarah Beth took on the most difficult problems and did it in a way that saved people's lives.
Dr. Jason Smith says Dr. Sarah Beth Hartledge's tremendous impact on the Louisville community is hard to quantify, but the chief medical officer for U of L Health says it's more difficult to talk about his friend in the past tense.
It's hard to believe that she's gone. It's hard to believe that, she was saving a life on an airplane not that long ago.
On Friday, Mayor Fisher announced that Hartledge passed away suddenly, stunning the Louisville medical community. She was an Alabama native and anesthesiologist who joined the city's health department as Associate Medical Director in September 2020.
If we could just pause for a moment of silence and appreciation, it would be appropriate.
But the mayor's heartbreak quickly turned to honor as he reflected on the life-saving work Hartledge carried out during the pandemic. When she wasn't giving crucial COVID data on weekly briefings, she led the city's mass vaccine site, LouVax, at Broadbent Arena. She coordinated training for thousands of staff and volunteers who administered more than 100,000 vaccines to the most vulnerable communities.
She was our lead, and she was our rock. And she was always there, figuring out along the way.
And her colleagues say she did the tireless work without complaining and with a smile.
That's one thing I will remember about her, is that smile on her face as those cars were rolling through Broadbent, and how she had been able to coordinate and work through all of the difficulties in setting up a site like that.
And on COVID-19 Remembrance Day, Dr. Smith wants Louisvillians to commemorate Hartledge and the lives she saved.
So as we remember those that have died, spend a moment to think how many could have died if not for the efforts of our public health officers and Dr. Hartledge.
In Louisville, Alexis Matthews, WOKY News.
And Governor Beshear also honored Dr. Hartledge with a tweet that reads in part, "Brittany and I are sorry to hear of her unexpected passing. We are holding her family, Louisville Metro, and the health department in our prayers."